Hello!
Hi, welcome to Economic News channel ИнстаФорекс TV with us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching a currency and commodity review for the previous week.
What events influenced trading sentiment in the currency market last week?
The US dollar weakened against the major currency basket during the Friday session.
And what led to such sentiment?
Easing expectations for an interest rate hike by the Fed undermined the greenback. Besides, markets continue assessing Brexit's consequences. The US dollar index dropped to 95.48, the lowest level since June 24th. The index ended the week at the mark of 95.72, which is roughly the same level where trading started last week. Following the outcome of Britain's referendum, market participants excluded the probability of monetary policy tightening in the US this year. Some economists even predict a slight cut in the rate by the year's end. The US dollar fell against the yen. The pair's final quote made up 102.47. It is a small week change, as last Monday trading opened at the 102.27 level. Weak economic data from China and the Brexit outcome increased demand for safe haven currencies. In China, Taixin manufacturing PMI declined to 48.6 in June, in comparison with an anticipated reading of 49.1. Meanwhile, a governmental report showed an increase in manufacturing activity to 50, in line with expectations. The pound-dollar pair decreased to 1.3266, trading around a 31-year low on the back of investors estimating political and economic consequences of the Brexit. Last Thursday, Bank of England Governor Mark Carney stated that the central bank is most likely to soften its monetary policy as soon as this summer. And that's all about quote dynamics on Forex for now.
Thank you for the currency review, Anna.
You're welcome, Ekaterina. So what sentiment prevailed among commodity investors?
An upward movement was witnessed in the commodity market.
And what made investors open long positions?
A weaker US dollar triggered demand on commodity assets. A decline in the US dollar often leads to higher prices on oil and gold, as dollar-dominated commodities become cheaper for holders of other currencies. Over the last week, Brent crude futures rose by $1.92 or 4.01% to settle above $50 a barrel, showing the best weekly dynamic for more than a month. Brent crude finished the second quarter with almost a 28% gain. West Texas Intermediate crude contracts for August delivery grew to $48.99 a barrel. The oil futures added $1.18 or 2.83%. Despite the positive movement, the upside is limited by signs of recovery in the US drilling activity. On Friday, gold prices were rising and the metal closed around the 27 rands high amid fading expectations for the Fed's rate hike in the near future. At COMEX, a diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for August delivery advanced by $18.40 or 1.39% to trade at $1,344.10 at 3 ounce. Prices gained about $16.70 or 1.27% for the week. In June, the precious metal climbed approximately by 9%. This is the largest monthly growth since February. This year, prices have added almost 25%, finishing the first part of the year with a record growth.
Ekaterina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.